Michael Patrick Bedford. I am so happy this day is here. I cannot wait to be your wife. Over the last years we have known each other, I have grown deeper and deeper in love with you.
Rachel, you are the love of my life, and I never could have imagined feeling this complete, and I'm so grateful to spend my life with you.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations, Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
You are everything I didn't know I needed in a partner. You allow me to be vulnerable and to put my guard down. You teach me to be open-minded and patient. You remind me that there is more to life outside of the walls I previously lived in.
You fill me with purpose, and I'm forever thankful that the world brought us together. I've struggled to find the words to truly express the excitement that fills me as we learn and grow and build a family together.
I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
On behalf of Rachel and Michael, thank you all for coming. Each of you that are here have an important place in Rachel and Michael's lives. We are very happy to have you all here to celebrate the marriage of Rachel Marie Hannon and Michael Patrick Bedford. Rachel and Mike have always been supportive of each other and only strengthened our relationship and love for each other over time. Now Rachel and Mike will build upon the foundation they have created and enter into marriage.
Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
I vow to push you to always be the best version of yourself.
I will never stop working to be the best version of myself for you and our family.
I vow to help you when you ask for help and let you know I'm there when you need me, even if you don't ask for it.
I promise to always love you. I promise to always listen and to always put you first.
I vow to remember that physical touch is your love language.
I will always prioritize quality time and coffee juice in the morning.
I vow to be your biggest supporter and your loudest cheerleader. I vow to love you more with each and every day together.
Thank you for giving me something I never knew existed, and I know I will live every day forward for you with all the love I possess.
Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Michael, you may now kiss the bride. It is my honor to present to you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Bedford.
Rachel, I love you from the bottom of my heart, and I'm so happy you found someone who makes you happier than I have ever seen you. Mike, you're the brother I never had, and having you in this family means so much to me and all of us.
He goes 110% with everything he does. It doesn't matter what it is. Life, love, friends, family, work, maximum effort.
Mike is your greatest fan and supporter. We have seen how you look to him for help and sometimes let him take over. We have seen how he knows what you need and when you need it. and takes initiative to be there for you and with you. You're the perfect team.